Welcome to TechSwipe IT's tutorial on how to change the undo send time in Gmail. In this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to adjust the time limit for canceling sent emails, giving you more control over your messages. To get started, first open your web browser and type in gmail.com in the search bar. Once you're in your Gmail inbox, locate the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen and give it a click. From the side menu that appears, click on See All Settings to access the full range of Gmail settings. Ensure that you're on the General tab, which is the default tab when accessing settings. Scroll down until you find the Undo Send section. Locate the drop-down menu labeled Send Cancellation Period, and select your desired time period for canceling sent emails. Options range from 5, 10, 20 to 30 seconds. Scroll down, then click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page to apply the new settings. Remember to refresh your browser to ensure the changes have taken effect. To test the new settings, click on the Compose button located on the top left of the screen. Enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and compose the body of your email. Once you're ready, click on the Send button. Now your email will be delayed according to the new time limit you set. If you ever need to cancel the email, simply click on the Undo option that appears momentarily. This will reopen the email draft, allowing you to make any necessary changes before sending it again. And that's it! You've successfully changed the undo send time in Gmail, giving you more control over your sent emails. If you found this tutorial helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. If you need any additional technical assistance or have any further questions, TechSwipe IT is here to help. Visit us at techswipe.com.au/IT or email us at it@techswipe.com.au for reliable remote IT support services. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to assisting you with your IT needs.